Unit 3 4-year series. Harmonic analysis. So these are very important chapters in this unit. In these chapters we have one compulsory 13 mark questions or part C questions available in the university examinations. So first we can discuss about what is harmonic analysis. So harmonic analysis is to find the numerical solutions given in the table value by using full range series, that is 0 to 2 pi and 0 to 2l. This 0 to 2 pi and 0 to 2l we already saw in the previous session. What is 0 to 2 pi, what is 0 to 2l based on the full range series. That same formulas here we can using without changing the values here. So once we recall the full range formulas 0 to 2 pi and 0 to 2l, we can apply in this harmonic analysis. So by using the calculators we can find the value of the solutions without using the integrations here. So this one is a very important chapters. I can tell how we can using the calculators during this session. So first we shall go through the application of harmonic analysis. So application is just the wave frequency we can convert it into sine and cosine form. That one is we can transform it into some numerical values. So that is harmonic analysis main applications. So this one is using in the engineering field as well as in the physics also. So these are very important applications for the science and the engineering departments. So these are applications for heat and electrical equipments, wastage powers, electrical equipments damages, then efficiency transformations, then electric motors, then overheating in the neutral conductors. So these are main applications in the engineering fields. So first we can go through the what is definition of harmonic analysis. The harmonic analysis is nothing but the process of finding the harmonic in the Fourier expansions of a function numerically is known as harmonic analysis. That is, the given value in terms of Fourier series we can convert it into numerical solutions. That is known as harmonic analysis. This is a definition for harmonic. So here is very important thing is for finding the table value. So this is a very important note. For finding the n value in the table, first value and last value are repeated means omit the last value and then find the n value. For example, for given the functions y equal to 6 values are given. So first value is 1.2, second value is 1.4, then 1.5 like that. Then last value, seventh value must be 1.2 again given. So first value and last value are same means we can omit the last value, then after we can take n. So given is 7 but first and last value are repeated. So we can omit the last value means therefore n equal to 6 only. Don't take 7. Suppose n values are not repeated means we can take n equal to 7. So be careful here. This is a very important one. Then don't do any mistake in the problems. So this is a formula for finding the solutions. So first type number 1. The interval 0, 2 pi methods. The Fourier series in an interval 0, 2 pi are f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summations n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summations n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So this one is very familiar formulas. We know that in the first session itself. So just we can explain, put n equal to 1, 2, 3, put n equal to 1, 2, 3 up to third degree term is enough here. So f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus put n equal to 1, a1 cos x, put n equal to 2, a2 cos 2x, n equal to 3, a3 cos 3x, and so on. Then put n equal to 1, so b1 sin x, b2 sin 2x, b3 sin 3x. So this is a formula for Fourier series in an interval 0, 2 pi based on the harmonic function. So here is main thing is we can find the constant value a0, a1, a2, a3, then b1, b2, b3 based on the given formulas, where a0 equal to 2 times of summations y divided by n. That means summation y is nothing but total value. Then a1 equal to 2 times of summations y cos x whole divided by n. a2 means 2 times of summation y cos 2x divided by n. a3 equal to 2 times of summation y cos 3x divided by n. So a1 means cos x, a2 means cos 2x, a3 means cos 3x. So an stands for only cos here. So a1 stands for cos, bn stands for sin. So what about the b1 value? So b1 equal to 2 times of summations y sin x by n. Then put n equal to 2 means summations y sin 2x divided by n, 2 times of. Then b3 equal to 2 times of summations y sin 3x divided by n. So if you are familiar for a1 means we can replace b1, b2, b3. Instead of cos x we can take sin x here, sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. a2 is constant term, we can write 2 times of summation y divided by n. Forming the table we can find the solutions, then substitute the value here, we get the results based on the calculators. So these are interval 0, 2l methods, but I can explain in the problem. So first we can go through the type 1 itself. So type 1 is 0, 2 pi. First I can explain type 1 here, then after we will go through the 0, 2 here. So these are very, very important formulas for finding the solutions, and also these are very, very important formulas for in your 2 mark questions. Classify the harmonic functions in an interval 0, 2 pi up to third degree terms. Just we can write the formula is enough here. So we shall go through the problems here. So problem number 1. Find a0, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3 given the table values, and also find f of x by using harmonic analysis. So we know the formula, we know that the formula for a0, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3 in an interval 0 to 2 pi. There is a full range series. Similarly, we can verify the y value here. So here is total value must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n equal to 7 is given. But already I told the first value and last value in the y functions are repeated, means we can omit the last value. So here is first value is 1.0, last value is 1.0 is repeated. So I can omit 2 pi here. So therefore n value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Therefore n equal to 6 we can take. Don't take 7 here. So these are 0 to 2 pi formulas. F of x equal to a0 by 2 plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x plus a2 cos 2x plus b2 sin 2x plus a3 cos 3x plus b3 sin 3x. So these are table value. First we can write x value and y value. Given x is 0, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi, 4 pi by 3, 2 pi by 5 pi by 3. Then write the y value. Here is we can take the total value, summations. Y means in your formula already we have summations notations here. Summation means the total value of the column. So next we can replace pi by 3 in terms of angle. This one is 60 degree. This one is 2 pi by 3 is 120. So this one is 60. Then this one is 120. This one is 180, and this one is 240, then 300. So put in the calculators. So y value means 1.4, 1.9, 1.7, 1.5, 1.2. Don't take the last value. Then add the column here. So total value is 8.7. Next cos x means put cos 0. X value is 0. What is cos 0 is 1. Then cos 60, 0.5. Then cos 120 minus 0.5, cos 180 minus 1, then cos 240 minus 0.5, cos 300 0.5. Similarly, we can put sin 0 is 0, sin 60, sin 120, sin 80, sin 180, sin 240, sin 300. Then cos 2x means we can multiply 2 into the x value. So for example, here is I can take cos 2 of 60. So we get 120. What is 120? Cos 120 is minus 0.5. Then cos 240 minus 0.5, so on and so on. So just we can multiply the x value into 2. Similarly, multiply x value into 3. Then substitute the calculators, we get the required results here. If you have any doubt means we can ask in the through phone call or in the WhatsApp group here. So next is we can multiply y into, what is y? So y into cos x, 1 into 1 we get 1, 1.4 into 0.5 we get 0.7, 1.9 to minus 0.5 is minus 0.95. So 1 by 1 we can multiply y into cos x, y into sin x, y into cos 2x, y into sin 2x, y into cos 3x, y into sin 3x. Just we can multiply and finally we can add all the values here. Then you can verify this problem is right or wrong. You can easily verify here. Just we can add in cos x, adding the column, answer must be in 0. Then adding the column, answer must be in 0. So that's the verifications. Your written the solutions must be right or wrong. So these are one of the ideas to verify the given problem. Okay. Then substitute all the values from the given formulas. We will get the required results. Therefore, a naught equal to 2 times of summation y by n. What is total value? 2.8. 2.2 into 8.7 whole divided by 6. We get 2.9. Similarly, we can write a1. 2 into summation y cos x divided by n. N equal to 6 here. Okay. Then 2 into, so replace summation y cos x, that is total value, minus 1.1 divided by 6. So we get minus 0.37. So similarly, we can find b1 and a2, b2, a3, b3. After finding all the constant values, we can replace in the original functions. F of x equal to a naught by 2. So replace 2.9 divided by 2 means we get 1.45 plus a1. What is a1? Minus 0.37. So a1 cos x plus b1 sin x. a2 cos 2x, b2 sin 2x. a3 cos 3x, b3 sin 3x. Just you can replace the constant value alone. Don't replace the cos, sin and cos 2x, cos 3x, cos sin 3x. So only replace the constant value. We will get the required solutions. If you have any doubt means we can ask. Okay. We will continue the next session. Thank you.